They're full? Okay, we'll get you. Okay, I gotta load in.
Family or friends or anything?
No, just single. Okay.
All right, very good. Seatbelt there?
Yeah, let's go.
The window. You want to switch?
Alright, you guys, so everybody will have a seatbelt.
Channel, how do we look you up?
90210 Firebuff.
Is that your Instagram too?
Yeah. A lot of you guys know who I am.
I tried to look it up the other day and we saw it on fire. I couldn't find it.
On Instagram?
Yeah.
Well, I changed my Instagram name. My YouTube name's still the same.
Oh, okay. So what's the Instagram now?
ZachAttack785. All right.
Okay.
Check out
Seatbelt on?
Seatbelt's on.
Perfect.
Go.
All right.
See, it's up a little higher. There you go.
Let's do this.
Hey, you don't have to cover your ears. It's not loud.
Hey, what happens if there's a fire in Beverly Hills right now? They would still go. They have trucks out there ready to go. You see the truck right there? That would go in service. They go. This is this is a backup truck.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah, man, let's go. Don't worry, we got this fire. Run an emergency, the guy. Let's go.
I'll show you guys how to pull the line and you can go at it. Good.
You guys should turn on the siren too. When you get a chance. Let's do it.
We're gonna go put out a fire.
Do really loud. You want to do really loud? Do it super loud.
Hey, turn on the cue too if you can.
We'll scare some people.
The federal cue and the horn.
My life is dark.
Let's get this work.
It is cool.
We're gonna go put out the fire.
If there's a fire, do you normally go out with a full crew?
Yeah, if there's a fire,
All 5 seats?
depending on where it's hooking it out, if it's in the south end, engine 3 will be first in, then engine 1, truck 4, battalion chief, USAR 5, and 2 rescues.
You also have LA County, right?
We'll have LA County on a structure fire as well.
Nice. Hey, we got a fire in the cabin. This chick is smoking.
Have you been waiting all day to say that thing?
Those tourists are like, what? They do free rides around here? Nice. Yeah. Let's get it. Turn on the federal cue. Yeah. Hey, carpool. Nice. Yeah, I need this all the way home. Oh, bees called the high school. Wow.
What?
So they got a swarm of bees at the Beverly Hills High School.
Call at the high school, 241 Marina.
Wow. There don't be any students there right now.
False alarm.
Oh, I don't think bees are false alarm. I think they still go to it. Yeah.
Yeah, they'll go. Will depend on if it's an active swarm or not. That'll depend on what we end up doing. There's a lot of them right now.
Because it's springtime, you know, the queens go to their nest and everything.